So, a crazy thing happened to me in Philadelphia. I'll tell you more about it on Thursday night. But for now, we're headed to the big game, Game 4 in Philadelphia against Jacksonville. What a game. What a flight. Oh, all I want to do is go to bed. Good thing the city is nice and quiet tonight. I love this view of the city. Okay, it's game day Sunday. Time to hop a train out of town. Every now and then, life happens on the train, and sometimes you... Let's roll that beautiful bean footage again. Now, first, he looks behind. Yeah, because he thinks he hears something back there, and then all of a sudden... I thought he was going to jump out of his skin, honey. All right, we're finally at the field, joining the throngs of people, hoping to get some food from the tailgate, but we were a little late for that. Anyway, we did get some great seats. Ooh. It's a win. Oh yeah, it's a win, which means there's lots of singing on the train ride home, and it's super crowded. Packed like sardines, I tell you. But it's always a nice ride. The next day, but you know, when I'm away, I love to play. Really? Hotel handstands are the best. Now, kids, don't try this at home. It's why I'm gonna stay young forever. I'm so childish. Well, another great trip to a great city. Philadelphia, how I love you. But tell me this. Where are you going?
May I take your order?